What's up, everybody? We're back again with another banger, man. Look, if you from the South, you already know what's up. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make fried green tomatoes. This is a recipe that you can pretty much do whatever you want, use whatever seasonings you want. So with that being said, you're gonna need a few little ingredients. One of them is going to be a bag of Louisiana fish fry, some buttermilk, some half and half. I mean, if you just got regular milk, that's fine too, because you can add egg to it, which we're going to add egg to it anyways. So there's not going to be any exact measurements. The only thing that's going to be semi-exact is going to be 2 parts cornmeal to 1 part flour. All right, man, so let's get this show on the road, baby, because I can already taste these things. You're gonna go ahead and start to cut these. You don't want it to be too thick, but you want it thick enough that it's gonna be able to hold up to that hot grease. Probably about a 1/4 inch. So I like to go ahead and cut my tomatoes first. That way, I can go ahead and get them soaking in some milk. If you have buttermilk, even better. I think that's a good little start. So from here, what we're going to do is I got a couple of eggs. I'll whisk it up. Throw that in there. Take this half and half here. Just like so. That ought to be enough. Mix that egg up with that half and half. Like I said, buttermilk works the best. Now, once you've done that, I like to add a little bit of accent to this mixture. I would say probably 1/4 teaspoon. And then I am using some Raging Cajun seasoning. Just gonna dump some in there. It's not gonna hurt anything. Just a little added seasoning. Wherever you can add seasoning, add it. We're going to throw these in, just like this. I have to get a bigger bowl. Put a lid on it, put some wrap on it, whatever you gotta do to cover it up. Put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. Hey, you ain't even gotta wait that long. Now it's time to get our breading done. So we have 1 entire bag of fish fry in here with about 1/2 cup of flour. Mix that in real good. Since we added that flour, you know it's gonna dilute that seasoning. So always taste. Still has some seasoning in there, but we're gonna add some more. We'll taste it. That's good. I'm gonna throw a little more in there. Just to make this our own, I got a little bit of lemon pepper here. So this is just gonna add a little bit of a kick, like that. Let's see. Now that's some good seasoned flour and cornmeal right there. So now that part's done. Don't be afraid to taste that raw cornmeal, that raw flour. You'll never know. That's why people wind up with bland food, but you've got to taste your raw ingredients. So next, put you some oil in a cast iron. Once it gets up to about 350, 375, if you have something you can throw like a thermometer on there or whatever, whenever you get to 350, you know you're good. Pull one out from the bottom. Throw it in here. Oh yeah. Get it good and covered. Some of that good seasoning. Make sure you get the sides. Test you a little bit. Throw a little bit in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we ready now. Let them go. Not gonna take long. After about 45 seconds or so, flip it over. Got that pretty brown. That's what you want. A lot of different ways to do this. You don't have to use the cornmeal. You don't have to use the fish fry. But I say, why not? These are just about done. They don't take no time at all. Now I got this wire rack here. Now I'm gonna fry me up a couple more and I'm gonna bring y'all back. Let's see what this bad baby talking about. Man, look, you can make you a remoulade sauce, some crawfish etouffee, lump crab meat. Ugh, that right there. I need nothing with that. I can sit there and eat that just like that. Juicy, tender, still has just a little bit of firmness to it. You've never had a fried green tomato before, I suggest you try this. Right now, green tomatoes are in season. I promise you, you will not regret it. Here's another one in the dust. Look, if you found any value in my videos, leave me a comment, man. Subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you can be notified whenever I come out with new videos. Look, YouTube tripping sometimes and they won't come up on your news feed, on your regular play feed when you go on YouTube unless you hit that notification bell. So please, please hit that notification bell. Share this video. If you didn't catch my last video, which was really good, I'm gonna link it right here. And I promise you, you watch that one, life-changing. I appreciate y'all coming back and watching me one more time. Look, y'all remember, burn rubber, not your meat. Get out there and cook something, baby. Peace.